Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis have experienced an impressive gain of 50.19% since we first identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 128.68% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 92.21% to 236.18%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 238.19%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 85.48% and 334.81% over the next year. Translated into current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $29.03 and $68.05. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline: D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price ended at $15.65 on Friday, after losing 0.382%. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price fell by 0.382% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, dropping from $15.71 to $15.65. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.30%, reaching a low of $15.48 and a high of $16.15. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, down by 4.98% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares. Albeit amidst falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 56 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $870,720,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.77, while the lowest price reached 75 cents. Currently, the price stands 20.82%, or $4.12, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which is also the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS, is experiencing significant momentum as the company expands its global reach through strategic partnerships. Recently, QBTS shares surged by nearly 88% over the past 3 months, fueled by new deals spanning from South Korea to Germany. The establishment of a Memorandum of Understanding with Yonsei University, aimed at promoting quantum computing in South Korea, underscores D-Wave's commitment to expanding the adoption of quantum technology. Today, ROV Capital upgraded D-Wave's price target from $12 to $18, signaling increasing confidence in the company's robust revenue potential. This sentiment is echoed in the market, where quantum computing stocks like QBTS are gaining traction. In the short term, this positive news could drive further investor interest and price appreciation, particularly as the technology sector sees a general uplift. In the long term, D-Wave's growing partnerships and technological advancements position it favorably within the competitive landscape of quantum computing. With a soaring stock price nearing its all-time high of $19, sustained interest and successful execution of its strategic initiatives could solidify QBTS as a leader in this emerging field. Overall, these developments are likely to bolster investor confidence and drive sustained stock performance in the evolving quantum computing market. analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Benchmark gave QBTS a buy rating paired with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June 2025, Roth Capital awarded QBTS a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, B. Riley again assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, B. Riley initially rated QBTS as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio both as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also indicate a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 17.8%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored closely. Some positive signals have also emerged which could influence the near short-term development. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Incorporated holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $15.78. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $14.21. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 88 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average, sell signal, occurring 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 161 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $15.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 665 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 4.3%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 6.48%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 5.75 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum stands at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum faces its first support level at $15.36. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June, 2025, Nielsen Christian conducted an insider sale of 58,644 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 16th of June, 2025, Nielsen Christian conducted an insider sale of 13,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 12th of June, 2025, Dilello John D. conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 13th of June, 2025, Dilello John D. conducted an insider sale of 22,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 16th of June, 2025, Dilello John D. conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've assessed the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 31.146. Overall, insiders purchased 44,901,213 shares and sold 87,288,192 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.12, reflecting a decline of 3.42%. This stock exhibits significant daily movements, indicating a high level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 19 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several indicators are pointing negatively, which we believe will impact the development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we consider that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of June, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open higher by approximately 108 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $15.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.